Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly review of SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy. This week we managed to close a bunch of selling trades on the British pound. As you remember, we were holding them for a couple of weeks and finally we closed them. Currently we don't have any open trades on the British pound and we have a couple of trades on the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and check our trades in the details. We'll start from the Australian dollar against the US dollar on an hourly time frame where each vertical line separates one trading day. As you can see this week, this upward movement continued to develop. We gain new local highs, but starting from Tuesday we can see that the price started to decline slowly, step by step, but local lows and local highs are decreasing. So it means that we may face a stronger correction next week. Actually, we have a chain of 7 trades, and to close them we need the price to drop between the 6th and 5th orders. So hopefully at the end of this day or on the beginning of the next week we're gonna close all the trades with a profit. We didn't close any trades, so that's why we don't have profit this week. On a daily time frame we can see that this currency pair is still in a long-term uptrend, but considering the fact that we are really close to the previous local highs and we may approach to the support level, we think that this scenario is the most probable in our case, because additionally we reached the resistance level of this ascending channel. The next currency pair is the British pound against the US dollar. I think some of you managed to close all the trades on Monday as it was supposed to be, but some may have missed it like I did, and to be honest I didn't close this trade here. I was waiting for the price to reach the same price for 2 days more because I missed this signal, and when I saw it somewhere here the trade was already in a loss, so it did make sense for me to close this trade with a loss. And considering that the market is really overbought, I decided to take a risk, and actually despite the fact that market set up new local highs this week, it didn't trigger my stop loss and I managed to close all these trades with a profit. Those of you who closed this trade at this price, I congratulate you. You did very well, you have very good reaction and you were at the right place on the right time. And I suppose that you also were making this selling trade, which was also closed with a profit on Tuesday. And on Wednesday we can see that market started to decline, and after the previous local lows were broken we opened one buying trade, and then when the price approached the previous local support level we opened another buying trade and later closed all of these trades with a profit on Wednesday. So far we don't have any trades, we're waiting for this movement to develop. If we speak about the daily time frame, we can see that British pound is still in an uptrend, so there is a chance that price may increase, but to be honest we see that we are moving upward for quite a long time and the price seems to be really overbought. Speaking about the profit, this week we earned $72. I hope that this week was profitable for all of you. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video review.